my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I'm here with this super glamorous bridal makeup look, which is a haldi bridal makeup, and this is a requested video from one of you angels and her name is Muskan Malik. She asked me to create this haldi bridal makeup look and she asked me to create a red and a yellow smoky eyes. Unfortunately, my eye shadow, which is yellow color, it is super chalky. I tried my best but it didn't work out, so I have glitters on. If you want, you can skip the glitter and go with the yellow. I have explained everything in the video, so yeah, I hope you guys will surely enjoy this video. Most importantly, Muskan, let me know if you enjoyed this video, and if you all do, please give me a like and even subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media handles, and everything is there in the description box. So that's it, me blabbering. Now let's get into this video. So first I'm going to use the MAC Fix Plus, and this is going to give me a flawless base, and even this is going to make sure that my makeup is lasting longer. And now I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the Matte Plus Poreless. I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I'm gonna take 3 pumps of this and I'm going to blend this out with a beauty sponge, and I'll be dabbing this all over my face till I'm happy with the coverage. Now next, for my concealer, I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me concealer in 2 different shades. First, to cover up my dark circles, I'm going with 25 medium, and then I'll be apply the lighter shade, which is 10 light, for concealing and highlighting my face. And now again you can see I'm blending this with the same beauty sponge, and I'll be blending this seamlessly. And now to set my face, I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This is in the shade 15 Light, and I'm going to dust this all over my face, and even I'm going to apply this underneath my eyes so there are no fallouts from the eyeshadow. Next, for contouring my face, for that chiseled looking face, I'm taking Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit, and I'll be going with this on the parameters of my face. And then I have filled in my brows off the camera, and for that I have taken L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit, and this is in the shade medium. Next up, for my eyeshadow, first I am taking this red color from Makeup Revolution Temi X Tropical Carnival palette, and I'm going with this on the crease area, and I'm going to blend this out with a fluffy brush, and I'll keep on building the color as per my likings. I'll make sure that I'm happy with the color payoff. Now after applying the red color, I'm straight jumping into this yellow shade from the same palette, but as you can see, this is not sticking to my lids whatsoever. I even did try this to build up with my finger, but you can see how chalky this is. Like, it is not sticking to my eyelids at all. I can see like this is even taking that red color off, so I had to go and build that red color again. So I thought, let me just skip this yellow shade. As I don't have any other yellow shade, I thought of going with a glitter palette right here, which is like my Bhai Dooj gift which my brother gave me recently. While doing this voiceover, I don't have this product in front of me, so I'm not very much sure about the name, but it has 24 glitter shades in this. I'm going to put the name in the description box. If you wish, you can check that out. Now after applying this glitter, I am moving on to the highlighter for my inner corners and my eyebrow bone, and this is the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petal. And now for tide lining and waterlining, I'm taking this Plum Nature Studio Kajal. And again from the Makeup Revolution palette, I'm taking this red shade to apply on the lower lash line so I can smoke out the kajal a bit, and then I have gone again with the contour shade to apply on the lower lash line so it's nicely smudged and it's not looking super harsh. And now for the wing liner, I have taken 925 black liquid liner. Now for my lashes, I'm taking Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and this is my favorite, you guys already know it. And now for my blush, I'm going with this Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Wine. Now to highlight my face, I'm again taking this Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petal to add the glow onto my face. And to finish the whole look, I'm going to apply this Bella Voste liquid lipstick in the shade Wild Child 06. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Muskan, I hope you enjoyed this video because this request came up from you, and as it is the wedding season, I hope this is going to be helpful for many of you. And if you really enjoyed, let me know in the comment section below. You guys are not commenting these days. What's wrong? Please do comment and let me know if you enjoy this look right here. And even don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like I have seen, like 95% of you are not subscribing to my channel, just watching my video. Don't do that. Please subscribe because that will help me in growing and it won't cost you anything, and it will even make sure that you're going to get my next post, whatever I'm coming up with. So please subscribe, hit the bell button, and even don't forget to follow me in all my social media handles, especially on Instagram for all the behind the scenes. Everything is there in the description box. That's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, stay safe. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.